surfer owner's just got rid of me. I hope I'm not going to a junkyard. I hope I'm going to get restored. Oh, but my engine hasn't been running in years. My gearbox is stuffed. I'm so scared.
Hey, Kombi, you're going to be on the junk heap. You'd better get your engine started and get out of here.
Hey, don't scare her. She's scared enough already.
Eric, look what happened to me. Just because I didn't run really good anymore. I was in the shed, they just gave up on me. They replaced me with this green thing that they got at a garage sale. It's going to happen to you.
What do you mean? Aren't I beautiful? Aren't I worth doing up and restoring?
Ha! Nah, you're past it. Gotta get out of here tonight or you'll end up on the junk heap like all this crap.
No, you listen here. We're going to come up with a plan. You got to get your engines started. You got to get them started tonight.
I'm a surf bus. But I just want to take them to all the surf spots and show them a good time.
But that's my purpose.
I know I've got a lot of life left in me. Just give me a chance. I know I don't want to go to wreckers. I don't want to be recycled for parts. I just want to have a chance for a new life.
Hey, Kombi, look what I found. Let's go.
That parrot's a good mechanic.
Well done. You made it.
Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Whew. I made it. I think I'm saved. I think she'll restore me.
Yeah, well, I got a good idea. You go put the call out, get some surfboards in ya, then she won't be able to resist. Make her imagine her next surf safari.
Hey, Delika, surf bus, can you open the back door? I want to get out.
Tell the others. Put the call out to all the other boards.
Okay, I will, Malibu. Calling all surfboards. Calling all surfboards. They've got a mission. Everyone to the Kombi. Come on, get yourselves off the walls. Follow me. Cool. There it is. Oh no. How am I going to get up? Oh man, it's hard to get up on this thing when you haven't got any legs. Oh, yeah. I'm going on a surf trip. Oh, I'm going to wag my tail. And the surfboard call went out. The boards, even the display ones, on the walls and in the corners. They got themselves down and crawled across the rooms, and even in the rainforest bedrooms, the ones that hadn't been surfed for years made their way down the staircase to make their way out to the Kombi. I'm a surf bus. Well, come on, hurry up, kids. Up, come on, hop up. Up you. Come on, up.
Morning! Wait till Robyn sees you.
excited. She'll just want to restore me when she sees me here, won't she? Don't you think?
If you were an old lawnmower under a cherry blossom, she'd want to restore you. I'm gonna go wake her up. Window's open. She's inside.
Oh, good morning. Have you come to tell me something? Hi.
I've got something to show you.
What's up? Have you come to help me with my cherry blossoms maybe this morning?
No,
Hey?
something better.
All right then, I get on my Uggies, off we go. Oh, okay. Down we go.
Open your eyes.
Oh. Oh my God.
See?
How did that get here, Kirra?
I know nothing.
Do you know something about it? How did the Kombi get here? Hey?
I drove it.
Oh my God.
Yep, I drove it. Yeah, I'm pretty good.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm not going to the junk heap. They're going to restore me. I'm going to be a surf bus again. Oh, I'll make myself really inviting. I'll put up my pop top. What is on my head? Oh, finches? Watch out. I'm going to put up my pop top. I'm going to... Up, up. Up. Oh, that looks good. Okay, who's ready for a surfari? Hop on in, everybody.
Oh, yeah, but it was my idea, so I get to drive it. Rusty, you're going to have to do the accelerator. Can't reach, but if I climb up here, I can see where I'm going. Oh, look at my sweet 1'3". Huh, so I've got a spare seat here. So, who wants to come? Oh, fantastic. We just hit spring. Waves are going off. Oh, I love recycling.
Oh, yeah, good one.